have another mega treat box here. This box can be worth anywhere between £30 and £200. Let's have a little look and see exactly what the contents of this box is worth. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. So this is the Agora Mega Treat Box. So to get a Mega Treat Box, you save your coins up. And the way to get coins is to do purchases on the app. Every time you make a purchase, you get X amount of coins, depending on how much it is. And if somebody was to use your code, that's another way of collecting coins as well. So yeah, this cost 500 coins. Basically it was free. So why don't we open this on up and see exactly what is in here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, and when I do, I have 3 amazing prizes to give away. I'll link a video just here. In that video, it's just going to show you what those prizes are. The main prize is the 2021 Glossy Advent Calendar, which is fantastic, let me just say that. Yeah, so if you can share my channel with your friends and your family on your social medias, that would really mean the world to me, because the quicker we can get there, the quicker I can get these prizes out of my house. Here is a little sneak peek of what is in the box. So when it comes to a mega box, they say the box can be worth anywhere from £30 to £200, which is something that really grinds on my nerves. I think that's too far apart. The two totals there are way too far apart. I think everybody should basically get the same value of boxes, but never mind. Obviously I'm hoping it's going to be towards the £200 mark. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through. So the first item we have in the mega box is this. So it's by the brand Beauty Pro, and I have had this so many times I can't even remember how many. Too many. Well, not too many, because I actually really like getting these, so what am I saying? But these are eye therapy under eye masks. These are some of the best eye masks I've ever personally tried, so excited to get more. It's collagen, green tea, vitamin A and E. So you pop them on under your eye and you leave them on for 20 minutes. So if you're anything like me, you just forget that they're there and they're on longer, but they can't do you any harm. So these are cruelty free, and yeah, so good. So yeah, it's a decent product to get. The second product we have is this. So this is by Lord & Berry, and it is a lip lock lip treatment balm. So it's a lip balm basically. I received one of these, was it last month or the month before? I think it was the month before, in a mega treat box. So I've already got one of these, so I'm not going to open it or anything. That can go in a future giveaway box. But yeah, so that is another repeated item. I don't mind getting eye masks over and over again, but when it comes to lip balms, I don't know. The third item we have is this. So this is an eyeshadow quad. So looking on the back, it's like all different shades of purple. So again, it's not really my kind of colours, and I don't want to be wasteful in any way, so I'd prefer to put this in a future giveaway box and let somebody get use out of it. But it's a really good product to get in the box. So it's Astrial, Amethyst, Shimmer eyeshadow, by that brand I can't pronounce, so there you go, by that brand. I'm absolutely terrible at pronouncing things. So yeah, again, another good product. So the last and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Eye Candy Professional, and it's Lash Xlr8. So this is a maximizer serum, stimulates lash growth, specially formulated to enhance the appearance and length of your lashes. Pardon me. So yeah, exclusive formula containing a unique liposome based delivery system, clinically proven to enhance the appearance and growth of lashes. This I'm excited about. I'm definitely interested in. That's amazing. Let's open it up. Okay, so here is the product. So it just looks like a little mascara. but it's such a big box for that. How bizarre. I suppose it's got to get all the information on there. But yeah, there it is. Ah, right, I was expecting it to actually come on a mascara wand, but it's a little brush there. Ooh. It has a light scent to it, not too much. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I would love to do some more of my lashes. Hell yeah. So yeah, this obviously looks like a full-size product. There's 9 mils in here. Might have to do a video on it. Right, so personally, I mean, I got it for free. At the end of the day, you collect coins during purchases, but they didn't have to give you coins to start off with. So I have to keep remembering that it is free. It's not the best in the world. I mean, it's pretty decent for being free. I went and had a look at all of the prices, and the total is not great. So let's start off with the eye masks. I found them on Look Fantastic, and they were basically a £5. I think they were like £4.95, so let's just say £5. It's be nice and round it up. The lip treatment balm I found on freemans.com, and that was on there for £12. The Eyeshadow Quad, I found that on their website, the brand's website that is, for £16. I think it was 5p off £16, but again, let's be nice and round it up. And then the eyelash serum, I got really excited about this, guys, and I was like, oh my god, yay, it probably, well, it looks like it costs a decent amount of money, but no, it is very affordable indeed. And it was listed in lots and lots of places, but what I found interesting is I found it in the range for £5. So I don't know how good that eyelash serum is going to be for growing lashes if it's only worth a £5, which is a bit disappointing. So yeah, from a potential where your box could be worth up to £200, my box is worth £38. Bit upsetting, really. But again, I've got to remember this box was free. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.